Navajo in the city. Guess what we're gonna make today? Chilchin! Hopefully you can see that. This video is sponsored by NAPI, Navajo Agricultural Products Industry. The line they've got is called Navajo Pride. So thank you so much, NAPI, for giving me this opportunity to show how to make chilchin, sumac berries. All right, so the recipe was given to me by Miss Ahééhéé, Rhoda Ahééhéé from NAPI. Ingredients, I'm going to be doubling it today because we have an NITC potluck today. Woohoo! I wish you were joining us because I already made blue corn mush, I made Navajo tea, now I'm going to make chilchin. So I have 4 cups of water boiling already. So this is a total of 8 cups. 4 cups of water boiling already, and then I have 4 cups of cold water. I'm putting into the bowl 1 cup of sumac berries, 1 cup of flour, and half a cup of sugar. Sugar is an alternative because you can always use corn syrup, you can use maple syrup, but usually a lot of people will add sugar to that. I've got half a cup. This one you're going to have to determine yourself. You want it sweet, you might want to add more. You don't want it too sweet, or maybe you can't have sugar. You may find an alternative, or don't even use sugar at all if you like it plain. So first things first, I am pouring in the chilchin. Mix, mix, mix. Sorry about my camera work. I'm here by myself. I mean, actually, somebody else is here, but she's busy. I've got to do it myself. So, 1 cup of chilchin. Oh, 1 cup of flour. Remember, this is a pudding. You want to mix it very, very well, and the flour thickens it. So once I add this to hot water, it's definitely going to even start cooking and thicken. I'm going to add this to the hot water, but I'm going to bring the sugar over here with me. All right. Inside. It's like gravy. This doesn't take too long to cook. I actually thought about adding the piloncillo. Smells like home. So we're having a potluck today, the NITC Colorado, and I'm making a couple things already. I think I mentioned it to you. I just want to bring a little bit of home, you know, to us here, Navajos in the city, and I think they're going to really, really enjoy it, really, really love it. Again, visit my friends before I forget to tell you. NAPI, they've got a line called Navajo Pride, and that's where this chilchin came from. Let me get the... All right, and as you'll know, I got smooth and thicker. Come zoom in. And this is chilchin, sumac berry pudding. And the bag from Navajo Pride looks like this. And it looks like it's about 2 cups because I put 1 cup in here already. Alright, I've been eating some, so this is what it looks like. You can see the berries in there, and still hot. Sakane, sakane, sakane. Give it a try. If you do, let me know. Don't forget, comment, share it, like it. Hakoshina. Thank you.